All right, we have been hanging out in this place all day today. We're back down here where we started, but now we're climbing. Now we're climbing this hill here through these shops, and then we're gonna go to the flower garden or the rose garden. The hill is pretty steep. Wow, I didn't realize. Mini shop over here. So, bên một đầu lưu vàng băng thì ó. Ooh, get on y'all. We going to Tiger Cave again, or this is a lion's den?
How the hell did he get that motorcycle up here?
I know.
Who's gonna sit with that right there on that table?
哦，你再找些有。哦，yeah，你再煮嘛。
煮喺面好狂啲。
你都你还煮咩？
哦，你再煮带。
Wow.
No looking, just keep on going up.
I'm done, I'll go. Don't worry about me.
No looking.
You tired? Oh, you can do it. What's that climbing? You can do it. Come on.
So we scared of lizard, Abby.
There is no webs. I don't know where you see. Oh my gosh. You can't even go all the way up there.
It don't matter.
Oh my goodness. What are they gonna do to you? They mind their own business.
Location.
Yeah, it is location. Location, customer service, and product.
Location.
Yep. Product is the number 3 important, but location is number 1. Whee! Tàiแล้วที่นี่อ่ะ Yeah,จะmassage ให้เหรอ
Yeah.
Yeah, so good. แต่ตัวปีต่อไปจ้วงเลยนะฮะ Oh,
He's got a free ride.
yeah, he's a tour guide.
He's a tour guide.
You're dark too. They should let you go for free.
喂，咪小你呢？
Messed up.
下一道我都老了
Why
呀
you。say bun me?
哎，我
Dark man, boys should be free.
我这下一道我都老了
He's。not local.
我这
He's got U.S. citizen. You don't want to go in there?
Oh, this is another museum, Hmong history. Hmong museum. Oh. All right, guys, we're taking you to this Hmong museum right here. Check this out. Wow. Oh yeah, Pamoya. Oh. Yeah, đi chữ đấy à.
Cục là cái ha. Chụp khí ha.
Yeah. Wow. This is the artifacts from the Hmong people. Khi nhiều căn chùa. Cho nên giờ Hmong cho quốc tế, these are artifacts for the Hmong people. Cho nên đất lỗ, for Hmong. 跑蒙几种呢？对，撸了撸都撸，撸的大嘞。
都是苗族。这个学也都过，哎呀。
讲到嘛，这些这蒙古镇古地呢，讲到呢。这个。呀。猪肚。
Sacramento 被包那个美啊。
呀，鹿碰沙。呀，鹿碰沙人道路嘞。呀，鹿碰沙道路。
呀，都开来的。
呀。cho chị từ cái nhiều cha tranh hình ơi cho nó muốn lên muốn cho cắn chùa bây giờ
cho cái chỉ tao khế thì có có
cha chùa cha chỉ
Đứa trẻ nó tên tao nói không có bê hốt thằng á. Tôi nói cho dân tháng tôi sợ phòng cụ. Tôi nói lười chén.
Dạ. Cụ chỉ bao từ lười chén hay cụ bao từ dân tháng?
Tôi nói chê chê.
Tôi hơi giờ sáng, tôi hơi giờ lâu.
Giờ sáng giờ lâu ha.
Lâu á. Giờ chua.
Cái tờ không à?
Dạ.
Cái tờ. Nói nhà đối trong. Được nó chưa? Có thảo luận luôn đấy.
Yeah.
Đúng rồi nè.
Đây, come here, I'll show you this. Cho nó cho khổng cơ bó lại dính nè. Ô biển nè. Lúc này là lúc kilo nữa. Bốn lu. Lúc là ý là dính chị muốn là lúc nào hả? Chị cho nó cho cái cổ cái cổ cho dính là tôi muốn nhỏ to là. Chị cho nó. Ô hay thế.
Đúng rồi đó, có đó. Đúng rồi cho mình cái có.
Rồi, cũng rồi đó. Gió lắm. Cho nó. Yeah. So we just visited and we just look at the our Hmong people's artifacts from back in the days. Yeah, trucking. And then Lumao Hmong, which they make it really big. And then Chap Hmong, which I showed to you guys earlier. And then Lutulun, they made it so big just for display. But yeah, this is the artifacts of the Hmong people. Hey, ở trong sổ than là chỉ ở trong kênh theo lúc cỡ lấy những qua cho nó lo cho nó sầu trong số lượng số tự do về Hmong tệ quốc tế even now là chỉ muốn cho sĩ thế nào thế ạ? Thế chỉ sao? Cha kia cho khổng độ. Chị có trồng lên nữa, chị có có để rest nữa. Lưu xe luôn rồi nè. Lưu xe rồi đây. Ồ, cả chân không rồi. Bé muốn gì số là bé mà tôi bé muốn chơi. Dạ, bé muốn gì số là cho. Wow, this is the route or village right here. Oh yeah. Phù thế à? Nó đi. Bay dính nó đi. Nó kìa bay dính kìa. Yeah. Cho nó chơi bay dính thì tiền luôn, chỉ chơi bay dính thì tiền. Để nó chơi lúc ba va thì o. Lúc này giờ lúc trò. Mong lúc trò giờ lúc cho display nó. Lúc sổ nó giờ lúc tôi lúc đó. And then over here, yeah, Pomong. Let me get closer to it. Trang này ta Pomong. Okay. Chị trang đã đó chị không trang hình. Trang này không trang hình nào nữa. Con ta to vậy, cái chim sao to, cái to. Cú to cả sai. Giờ nó chỉ cú cho nên bù sai và mong tụi chế đây nè. Mong tụi chế đây thì giờ đúng đi non ta tụi nó giờ tụi chế đây nữa còn này ô tô sẽ tôi sai sư tất mà giá thủ về lấy những chạy đây nó lấy chạy từ đây nó chỉ mới sống cho là phua chỉ chạy đây nó chỉ lấy phua chạy đây đó chỉ là từ đây nó chỉ mà chạy đây là hậu thì tao nói cứ mà ở trắc kinh thế thì cũng mới dùng trong cái sai ở trắc kinh nó thế. We just visited our Hmong village and we're back halfway back down and Shalu temple right here. Excuse me. Shalu temple no.
Parking space or?
Yeah, he's looking for a parking space. He's sick of it. You'll be a bit by one day. But which one? Yeah, which one? You'll be the guy. Dude, the way I am right now, nobody think I'm a local. Everything I do walking. Bun nano hết giờ em bun chỉ qualify or local rồi. Oh, fix it. You have to climb all the way up here. This is the entrance right here. You have to climb all the way up. All right, let's go. We are going up the steps. We are going up the steps to the temple. What's up, Starry's cousin? Yeah, so this. So this part here is pretty steep. It goes all the way up, similar to us climbing the Tiger Cave Mountain the other day, but this is nothing though. From here you have two dragons on each side. I don't know anything about the history of this temple or anything, so I'm not gonna say anything or assume anything, but this is the gateway to get to the temple way up there top of the mountain. All right, let's go. Go ahead, All right, so we're gonna climb up the steps. You don't need to rush, man.
I know you guys will beat me, so I gotta go first.
It's taking our time.
That's why I'm trying to go. Go ahead.
Yep. All right, almost to the top. Oh shoot, I just lost count my steps. I was doing mentally and then started talking and I forgot. I'm like, oh my gosh. 2 deep breaths and that's it.
รถรับส่งเรียนไปครับเป็นบินทุกวันนี่เนาะ
This is torturing. If I may say so myself. Whew. All right, made it to this top here. We gotta pay a fee, 30 baht, to enter the temple.
Yeah, we're from US. USA.
Dude, you made it. What's the rest of the game?
Over there.
I ran and I was counting my steps and I lost count.
This is not tiger.
I took my second breath and I lost count. I was like, what? Dude, who's dying?
Thank you. Enjoy.
Okay, you too. Be safe. What's your crabby?
The mission is over here. Yeah.
What's your crabby? Go ahead. Yeah, they're gonna go to 2 days from now. They're gonna go. Come on.
Almost there.
You guys can make it. You guys made tiger, man. It's nothing.
This is nothing compared to Tiger Cave.
It's nothing.
You got like maybe 30 more steps. I'm exaggerating.
Yeah. This is like over. How many steps now?
I was counting and I lost count. Look at this girl.
Look, foreigners this way. We're foreigners.
Yeah, who foreigner?
Foreigners, but hey, we gotta go by it over here. They're putting us
Almost there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more steps. 10 more steps. Yeah, we're foreigners. Don't forget. All right, 10 more steps. There you go. Y'all made it. I lost count, so I'll just keep going. Good job. All right, so this is us right here. We are a foreigner. We have to buy the ticket. Admission fee is 30 baht. First buy ticket. Please buy ticket before you walk around service and support the place. Thank you so much. Thank you, Elaine.
Elevator right down? Where's the elevator?
Which photo we got?
Over here.
Okay.
2 คนค่ะ
Notice I'm not in a hurry to put my money up there.
2 คน
จะถ้าจะจีเราบอกเลยจะเกินจะเกินไปอย่างจะดูแบบโอ้ยจอเนี่ย
เราทุกหมดตมา
รู้หมดเลยก็是เวียนเรา
ขอบคุณครับ
รู้หมดสิฮะจุดอ่อน
จะให้ดูด้วย
bây giờ nên sẽ bị thế không được
Watch your steps. All right.
well it's nice you know
All right. We got a ticket. We're going here. Where do we go from there? Oh, we have to take our shoes if we
if
go
you
up.
go to the temple then you take off your
Just
shoes
walk around, or you want to go take a go up there?
We'll, I think we'll do down here first
Yeah, we'll go over here first.
when we go up there we'll take off our shoes
All right, we are right on top of the mountain where the temple is. If we are going to go inside the temple, we have to take off our shoes and socks. But because we still kind of tore ourselves around here, and then we're not gonna take off our shoes yet. Back down. We are here at the night market. This is the biggest night market here in Chiang Mai. Special event day the next couple days, so it's full of people. There's just so many people out here. I mean, look at all this motorcycle. I'm just amazed. This is just one section that we're here. There are multiple sections where people enter into the park, and we haven't made it inside yet, so there's gonna be a lot of people inside, a lot of vendors.
ความอร่อยนกกระทาย่างนะคะกันกิมเกรียมหอมกลิ่นกระเทียมพริกไทยและต้นตำรับเลยนะคะแม่สายหยุดฟาร์มนกกระทาในจิตของไทยที่นั่นนกกระทาย่างมาแล้วจ้า
get a bird get a bird
คนหนุ่มคนสาวขอเชิญ
Ok, tỏ giúp là. Iniอะไรเอ่ย
Clapville
เข้าเพื่อนไม่จอด
Clapville oh okay
นี่ล่ะเต้าหู้น้อยเต่าปั้นsáng mà nó có máu rồi nó cắm mà chén nó nó thì chén
Đó đó.
rồi
Sẽ cắt lên chả?
rồi tụi nông chi đó ok ok nông chi nè để nó cho biết sợ sẽ nè cái nó kia nè cái nó giúp quá
Chủ lô lên nó. Nó cắt lên chả thế này. Đó là.
mà
Cái này tủ. Cái gì đâu? Thay nên nó. Thay nên nó. Giờ để cá gì chỗ cá rồi còn giờ thì nó á.
nông chi cho nó nông để cá nông để cá đỡ lúc cá mê nè
Call good. Good.
gì
Gì?
là gì
Yeah, nông ư. Yeah, nông ư.
trong đây
Nông ư.
Wow. Bố bà tông mốt đậu chua nè đúng không?
Chưa cho có chó à.
Tụi ta bố bà tông mốt đậu chua nè.
Usually.
Cho vào gồm nó không có nhà nó đậu.
Ồ, cái này chỉ lấy phở.
Mỗi người nói. Lúc này là.
Sai rồi à? Nó cái
Nó
gì?
phải ở nó lần.
Nó
Ở nó sát.
nói được.
Nó căng nó chua. Cái cho dài mà, cái cho dài.
Dài sao? Dài sao?
Tao á.
Bán kia à?
The sauce is sour and sweet, but it's good. Don't kind of touch it more. It's very tender.
Tôi thấy.
หรือจะเป็นไก่ราดซอสเกาหลีแบบฉ่ำ
sống tầm à? Cái nó sống tầm.
Can I try? I wanna try.
ขอจิ้มมาสั่งขอจิ้ม
Oh, my favorite. Look at that. That's a lot. What's that?
อันนี้เราไทยอ่ะ
Ai?
ซื้อมีเราเวียดนามไหม
Rồi hai slide.
It's good. It's good. You work on dinner.
Yeah mà. Yeah là DJ à? Cóตัวlà.
Tôi sẽ nói sao? Chị chờ. Thôi, anh có chỉ đi mua. Có chỉ nó quá. How much was it?
Cóตัวlà.
What?
我一看为什么不去用进去？嘿哦。
Đấy tên gì đó?
Đi mấy tuần? Sạch.
You guys want water? Oh, okay. You guys want water?
Yeah, get one.
Rồi cái chấm phồng à? Ship phồng á?
10 บาท
Năm bảo 2 ขวด ขอถุงใส่หน่อย
น้ำมาน้ำเปล่าใส่ถุงให้หน่อย5 ขวด
Chip or chip the topa.
Yeah. Payment.
Lo xin nó nhớ short tay. Cái này short short tay.
Yeah. Chua mà.
Cái lạnh lên.
5 ขวด
2 ขวดđi, 2 ขวด.
Giống chỗ luôn đây. Lo chỗ
Anh
ba.
cái portion is small, 就比较蒙古手杯。原来 stay 出来。
Đây. Không có cá.
这个那去找演员唱戏哈。
Gotta do the review. Thank you.
Vi pleier å kjøre til alle med halv Pepsi. Strawberry.
I want a review.
Should be the same thing.
Straw.
I want to do the review.
Straw.
Good? The jet, huh? All right, my turn. My turn to try.
OK，
那不错。
俾我等你嚟。
入啲幫話人得咗都做補影啊，個大間做佢亂字啦，but I don't want to eat。
Very good。
有字咗聽。
跟住就翻。Oh, look at that. This is what we had the other day. And here we are. เราจะกัมบี
กินได้ไหมกินได้ไหมกินได้ไหมฮะกินได้ไหม
These are different, huh? No, it's not honeycomb.
300ได้เลยค่ะ
How much?
เท่าไหร่ครับ
35ค่ะ
สามร้อย
What's
นี่
that?
จิก
And what about this one?
อันนี้เนี่ย
ปกติบาท
โคตรเจ้า
Oh, mga plato.
อ่า
Wait.
พี่น้องใส่ถุงไหม
นะขอบคุณครับเบงโก้
Here. How is it? It's kind of like honeycomb, huh? A little more spongy.
It's good. Easy. นี่มันน่าจะเมงโก้แล้วกูสั่งหน่อย I want it.
有個那嘢嘅蒙鎖上。
นอกจิตาเลยเหรอนอกจิตาเลยเอาตัวนั้นนอกจิ不太多啊
姐姐，有三個鐘嘅。
阿姐要回來
你幫佢見得到？都放黐線。
放屁是吧哎呀 Yeah, I tried one already. It's good. Okay.
阿姐啦，仔吧，佢整天嘅啦。
我嘅啫。
It's a big ass cake pop.
Junior.
Yeah, it's like a big ass cake pop.
Oh my god, this food where? 看了家，开老师，开老师，看了家。
Right here, Jen.
บอกกี้เหรอ
你这鸡巴几小红了？三千来不盖了，我几小红不能去摸了。
อยากตั้ง
哦，没，挺低的，挺低的，OK 呀。 别讲了嘛，讲到这毛就掉了呢。别做错了路，那毛给了嘛。别讲毛闹是嘛，哦，还得掉。This is what family and fun is about.
ไป
ไก่สุกุยเหรอ
ฮะ
สุกุยกับไก่เหรอ
ฮะ
ผมเองผมยังเองเขาเลย
ร้านเล็กจังอ่ะ
อันนี้ได้ให้ร้องเดี๋ยวเราร้องได้เอาไปกันต่อใครโกงก็ยกมือนะครับ
There's so much food out here. You just cannot eat them all.
ของรางวัลต่างๆถ้าเป็นคนเดียวของรางวัลเรื่องได้ทั้งร้านอย่างนี้เขาเรียกว่าเป็นคนเดียวเรื่องได้ทั้งร้านนะเธอดูสิเป็นคนเดียวลุกทั้งร้านโอ้โหแต่คนน้อยแต่ถ้าเป็นตัวใหญ่ไปเลยเอาออกรางวัลใหญ่ตองไปเลยออกรางวัลใหญ่ออกรางวัลใหญ่
Woo, man, all this food, all these vendors, all these people. It's amazing. It's crazy. The foods are so good here. Seafood, all kinds of food. Check this out, guys. So much food. Well, what happened? Wow. Oh, yeah. Let's go eat
All
it.
right, everybody gets
Dip
one.
it, guys.
I'll try to
No,
get
no,
one.
no, no.
All right, on a count of three, turn this way.
All right, come eat.
Okay. Ready, huh?
All right, eat crab, eat crab.
1, 2, 3.
Cheers, 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 cheers,
Cheers.
cheers. Here we go. Oh, so good.
Yo. No.
It's so good.
I like salsa crab.
It's good. It's
If
how
it was fresh, it'd be even better.
it has a lot of meat in there.
Maybe the whole shell.
그 사이드 또 미, 안에 주마치나 뭐 간다와.
간동.
와우. 따뜻해요. Wow, look at this. Oh,
Nó có cái nguồn dư không?
Kho của dược trẻ mà.
Những cái tay chúng nó à.
Vâng.
Những cái tay chúng nó à.
Trong một cám còn.
Yeah, that's the five percent. Yeah.
Có thể tôi cho bây giờ ăn một tí sắp tiền.
wow, look at that. Check that out. 뭐냐?
It's more of that bread. I want some more.
อันนี้เท่าไหร่นะครับ45โอ้yeah 45
45? Oh, this is living with only 40.
주야 오케이
I want to take these skewers.
cho lại đây bún này phòng cua có lại rồi